to my channel. It's your girl Jerimesa, and I'm back with another banger video. Read by the title. I'm just gonna be showing y'all a slight little makeup, little tutorial. Sis needs some lashes. Sis needs a little bit of foundation. Sis got these circles. Sis need some concealer, I need a lot of shit. But while I'm doing this, I'm probably just gonna talk to y'all a little bit while I'm sipping on me a little blue,
Laid back
with my mind on my money and my money on my mom.
But before we get into this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you have not already, go check out my last video, the extreme rap prank. It was so freaking funny. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Just go ahead and click the subscribe button. Without further ado, we get into this motherfucking video. So I'm gonna use my NARS concealer. I'm gonna conceal my eyebrows right underneath them. I'm gonna go to the other eyebrow. I go on the top as well with concealer.
Just go with the flow of the real eyebrow.
If you guys want to know the color of the concealer, I do medium to dark number 2 caramel. And that caramel, hey, yes. And then you see it just smooths right into my skin. You can't even really tell I got any concealer on. So I'm gonna take a blending brush. I don't know what kind of brush it is, but it's my blending brush. So we're gonna go in with bronzer. Someone just called and messed up my video, but
We're gonna go in with bronzer all in the corners. And all the way up to my brow bone, I'm gonna be doing bronzer.
sorry, I didn't tell you guys. My bronzer, I don't have the name of it, but it's Bronzer Glow 1. It looks like that. Keep that same brush, and I'm gonna go into my Morphe, or however you say it, palette. The palette is the Boss Mode, cause I'm on my Boss Mode shit. Let me quit. But anyways, I'm gonna do this brown right here.
These only. And I just set my on the other side.
And then I'm gonna go into this color, so it's like a darker brown.
So I'm just gonna go right into the crease only. That one I kind of moved around, but this one I'm just gonna switch from crease side to side with the same color still again, and side to side.
After I do that, I'm gonna go into a little darker, the darkest brown on the palette, and I'm gonna go in with the smaller blending brush.
And just go right on my last line right here. See if you can see. And I'm gonna dip that again and go right in this crease right here. Right in the corner.
Look, and then I also go in with the dark brown, and I go underneath my lash line.
For a smoky effect. And I bring that all the way up to meet that other line right there, So.
Drink break. Sipping on gin and juice. That shit's so fire. So I think I'm gonna go in with this color. I lick my brush. I don't know about y'all, but you can wet your brush. I just lick it.
And then I just go right in the inside, and I just pat it on. I just pat it on. Like a cut crease, you feel me?
Lick it again.
You just want to do a little cut crease, you feel me?
Then I go in with this color right next to it.
And on the bottom, with that brown that I put down here, so it shows some color. You feel me?
And then I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. Hey, cause I'm a trophy wife. Y'all always get the makeup with the cool name. I go in with that same brush that I used to do my color right here. And I'm gonna go in with this eye. I lick it.
Right in the teardrop of my eye, right here. See that? And right. Drag it along right there. And I do that on both sides.
I'm gonna take some more. That same brush I applied all my browns with, I'm gonna go back in and take my bronzer.
You just go and blend that gold in on the top of my brow. Where I just put it in by my eyebrow. I just go in and I blend it out with my same bronzer.
I'm looking cute. Toast to that. After that, I start to go back in with my concealer.
And I just go on the side of my nose like this. Bam. Same thing on this side. Bam. Then I go down my nose. Right here. I go all the way. And then I do my chin. And I just put some on my cheeks too because, I just use it as foundation really.
So I just wet my beauty blender.
And beat this makeup. You blend this makeup in. Let me see. That caramel just melts in my skin. That's why I love that NARS concealer. I don't even use foundation anymore. And I don't really have to get my neck because this fucking foundation is basically the same color as my skin. Like it's that good to me. It's like that good. So I don't even need to do all that. Y'all can tell the difference. Let me know guys, because you need to do that neck too, because that neck is not the same color. But I'll show y'all when I'm done. I believe it's the same color. I'll show y'all from every angle.
My hand gets tired from beating my face.
Few moments later.
That's that. Then I go in with the same brush that I use to conceal my eyebrows, and I take that concealer.
And I go right here. Bam! Then I take my beauty blender. Blend it. And it just makes, I have small eyes. So it makes my eyes just look a little bigger. And then I just take that, dab it right there. And then I blend it out a little bit with my brush.
I'm gonna take a sip on that one. Now I'm gonna go in with this brush. I don't even use that one actually. I use the white one. And I just swipe.
Here's the tip. First. Just to make my line. Now go to the side.
Then I go around my forehead with the rest of it. And I swipe it again.
Now on my dog line.
So this is my makeup. Okay, so now I'm going with some lashes. I don't use eyelash glue because why? I use the super hair bonding glue. Hair glue. I don't put a lot of this glue.
A few moments later.
Yo, look how my eyes just look like. Yes. After I put my lashes on, I use the, I don't know what the name of this is.
I don't know the name of this shit, but that's what I use. For my lashes.
Then I go in with my Maybelline, what is it called? Eyeliner.
Oh, my waterline is what it's called.
Like, look at this. You feel me? All affordable makeup. Let me show y'all my makeup. Yes, sir. So that's the end of this video, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing bangers after bangers after bangers.